Okay, I want you to try something out. I want you to think of someone, a person that you know, and hold that person's image in your mind for 2 to 3 minutes. Now, there's a catch to this. You got to think of this person in a loving way, right? And what I mean by that is think of him or her with positive vibes, nothing negative, okay? Hold that thought, whatever image that is of that person, in your mind for 2 to 3 minutes. And then after that, just forget about it. Just let it go, okay? And I want you to tell me if you hear from that person in the near future. And if you do, guess what? You created that. Everything is energy. So, hey, let me know how that worked out for you.